Hi guys, I am just reviewing AT-205. It did not work. Unfortunately, thumbs down. I will show you the video I made. So what I did, I poured it in. It looks exactly like water, by the way. It doesn't come with instructions. So I poured all the contents into the oil cap where the oil goes in. And I was driving for 5 hours and I did not notice any improvement whatsoever. So my car, there's an oil leak and it's covered all over the engine bay. And I was thinking I found a solution and I was hopeful that this product will work. I looked on numerous YouTube videos. Everyone was saying how good this is. But for me, no. Oil is escaping everywhere. As you can see, all around here too, where the rocket cover is and where the carpet is, somewhere is leaking oil from the engine. Also on the bonnet, as you can see, there's some dark patches of oil stain right here, across there. And this product AT-205 did not work. So I am very disappointed. I won't buy again. I looked on the reviews on Amazon and the reviews are very impressive, but for me it wasn't meant to be. So not everyone benefits from this. This product is a no-no.